Eyes will tell you everything. You're not allowed to take pictures of patients, but if you take pictures of patients in the streets or patients that have just been admitted, they have this look in their eyes that says to you, I have given up on everything. Wala, talagang lost sila. And that's really what hits you when you see their eyes. Yung parang ano sila, they're already surrendered themselves na ganito lang ako. So anong gagawin mo? The challenge is to get them back on their feet. Make them start thinking. Develop and feed their egos again. Kasi shattered ang ego nila eh. Wala silang self-esteem. So how do you do that? You not only talk to them, you arm them with things like education. Give them a trade. That's why we coordinate with TESDA also. Because if they start working and start making something again and earning something, mawawala yung kanilang sense of worthlessness. Ay, may halaga pala ako. Nagawa ko itong bagay na to. I repaired something. Now I have a trade. You know, yun ang importante in treatment. It's not just putting them in a place and then waiting and hoping to God that in 6 months or a year's time they're going out perfectly okay. No way.
Sir, TC ang approach natin.
Yes. TC, nung araw, talagang may very highly confrontational. It serves like a release valve. Kasi if you're always acting at every, tapos everything's okay, it'll build up eh. Lalo pag kunyari, meron malilit na bagay na nag-aaw sila, kagalit sila. Tapos wala kang ginawa, what do you think that would happen? It will all pent up and it will start to pressure, to increase in pressure, to grow, to become more, hanggang sasabog yan. And then bigla na mananapak. Nangyayari dito yan. I must admit, the program needs, we need more staff. We need more psychologists. Pero, kaya importante yan. Sometimes we allow them to shout at each other, but in a controlled environment, that's what Encounter is. May rules yan. Really given all the programs that we can give, balance. Food is good. Medical needs are there. Yung mga kailangan ng mga lalay, mga angkop sa goals or sa mga trusts ng Department of Health nandun. Like TB dolls, female maternal health, HIV, malnutrition, all these programs of the government are being implemented to the full. But I'm proud to say we're doing it here. Minus the congestion. Yun talaga. Minus the kulang ng staff. Pero other than that, I will tell you, in all fairness, the Department of Health, i-implement namin ang mga dapat para sa trusts namin. Even before Duterte came, ginagawa namin, we try our best. It so happens na noon, wala kami sa limelight. Ngayon lang kami nabigyan sa limelight dahil ito ang trust ng gobyerno natin. Kaya kami, we are just part of a bigger thing. No? Part of a bigger goal, a bigger organization.